Children, yesterday we discussed about the increase and decrease in percentage in the Zoom class. Yes, so we took an example. Last year the marks were 80 mathematics marks, and this year the mathematics marks are 90. Then increase percent is change in amount upon original amount into 100%. जब भी हम increase पता लगाते हैं तो original amount जो हमारा होता है वो छोटा वाला होता है. Okay, the smaller number. And when we are finding decrease, then the original amount is the bigger number. Okay, so when we are finding increase, the original amount is decrease, and when we are finding decrease, the original amount is bada wala. Okay, the bigger number. So this is how we do it. Now today something more we are going to discuss. Like for example, I am a shopkeeper, okay, and I bought a pen. I bought a pen for ₹20. Okay, I bought a pen for ₹20, but I am going to sell it. Okay, I am going to sell it for ₹30. So am I making more money? है ना, राइट? आई एम गेनिंग समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा मनी. मैंने सिर्फ 20 रुपए खर्च किए बट मुझे 30 मिल रहे हैं, तो हाउ मच एक्स्ट्रा एम आई गेनिंग? आई एम गेनिंग 10 rupees extra, right? So this original amount, this time the original amount becomes what? It becomes the cost price. Okay, the correct rate of the pen is what? The exact rate of the pen is the cost price. Then the rate at which the shopkeeper is selling is known as the selling price. Okay, now when the cost price is smaller than the selling price, we have profit. Okay, when the cost price is smaller than the selling price, you can see 20 रुपए में खरीदा और 30 rupees में बेचा, so मैंने एक्स्ट्रा कमाया, so I was in profit. Okay, and how to find out that profit, कि कितना profit कमाया? It is SP minus CP, that is 20 minus 30, which gives us ₹10. So the profit was of ₹10. The profit was of ₹10. Okay, now children, once again we take an example. I bought a pen of 20 rupees, okay, but I sold it for ₹10. Okay, but I sold it for ₹10. So what is the cost price here? The cost price is what? The cost price is ₹20, and the selling price here becomes ₹10. But here selling price is smaller. जितना मैंने खर्चा किया उससे उतना मैंने नहीं कमाया, मुझे कम मिला, right? So what is this? This is now not the profit. This is actually loss. So when the CP, that is cost price, is greater than the selling price, what do we have? We have loss. And how much is my loss? 10 rupees ka loss. How are we going to get it? That is 20 minus 10. So here loss, how do we get the loss? We get the loss by subtracting CP and SP. यहाँ पे CP से CP से SP को माइनस करते हैं, that is 20 minus 10, which gives us ₹10 का loss. Okay, so we studied profit and we studied loss. We studied profit and we studied loss. First we studied the profit, that is SP minus CP, correct? And we studied loss, that is CP माइनस एसपी। नाउ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस पढ़ा है तो प्रॉफिट परसेंट एंड लॉस परसेंट भी होगा, मींस हाउ टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच परसेंट वाज द लॉस एंड हाउ मच परसेंट वाज द प्रॉफिट। सो प्रॉफिट परसेंट कैन बी वेरी सिंपल, हाउ मच इज द प्रॉफिट अपॉन हमेशा सीपी। सीपी पे ही डिपेंड करेगा ना, अगर सीपी बड़ा है तो लॉस है, अगर सीपी छोटा है तो प्रॉफिट है। सो ऑलवेज प्रॉफिट इज डिवाइडेड बाय सीपी एंड इनटू 100%. Okay, so this is how we find out the profit percent, that is profit minus profit divided by CP into 100%. Now let's go to loss. Loss also depends on CP only. How do we come to know that it's a profit or a loss? When we check CP, when CP is greater than SP, then it's loss. Okay, so again the loss percent is again loss upon CP, loss upon CP into 100%. Okay, loss upon CP into 100%. Any try these? Yes. Now instead of doing try these, let's do an example. वही वाला एग्जाम्पल करते हैं, ये वाला जहाँ प्रॉफिट था CP was 20, SP was 30, yes, and profit was 10. Okay, so let's do it. 10 upon 20 into 100%. इसको हम सॉल्व कर देंगे. We are going to solve this. So 20 and 100 will be divided. 20 ones are 20 and 25s are 100. So 10 into 5 gives us 50. That is 50%. Okay. Loss कितना था? Profit कितना था? 50% का profit था. Okay. Then for loss के लिए what all we did? The CP कितना था मुझे तो याद नहीं है, 20 था शायद, 20 and SP was 10. Okay, so loss was also 10. CP minus SP. Yes. Now, so the loss percent will be loss upon CP into 100%. Okay, so again we cancel. So again the loss was 10 5s are, loss percent was 50. Okay, so this is how we find the profit percent and the loss percent. Now children, in your maths copy you are going to write this formula. Which formula I am going to tell you now. What I am writing on board, you are going to write it in your copy. This was just for your explanation. And tomorrow we are going to have a Zoom class. If any other subject teacher doesn't take. So profit percent is equal to profit upon CP. मैंने बताया क्यों CP. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय सीपी. परसेंट हम किसका फाइंड करेंगे? प्रॉफिट का फाइंड कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए प्रॉफिट एंड अपॉन सीपी बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स ऑन सीपी ओनली, राइट. प्रॉफिट है कि लॉस है, डिपेंड्स ऑन सीपी ओनली. सो प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय सीपी इनटू 100. ओके, एंड लॉस परसेंट इज लॉस डिवाइडेड बाय सीपी इनटू 100%. ये दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज हैं और बहुत ही इजी फॉर्मूलाज हैं. ओके, प्लीज राइट इट इन योर कॉपी लाइक दिस एंड यू कैन मेक अ बॉक्स ऑल्सो. क्लियर? नाउ there are certain trials which we are going to do tomorrow. Bye.